Mr. G here. I went to the newest teamLab in Kyoto. I think teamLab is awesome. I've been to the ones in Tokyo and Osaka, and I love seeing the beautiful and the weird immersive art. But this new teamLab is a little bit different.
I can save you. We've got lost. We're gonna get out, guys.
So I'm gonna give you a little tour and tips for how to navigate and get the most out of the newest and biggest teamLab.
Scaretta. So tired.
You want to get a coffee or something?
You know what? It's gonna be so cool. in
Yeah,
there.
that's true.
This is the biggest now.
Is
the
it?
biggest team lab in all of Japan. It's got 50 attractions apparently.
What?
Yeah, I think it's
50?
I think it's skewing it. I don't think it's actually
We're
50.
going to be here. Maybe one of the attractions was the sign.
Maybe, yeah. Never before seen stuff at Team Lab. Okay, let's do it. So when did I tell you to download the app? Just as a flyer and so. Boys! What is wrong with
Thank you so
my
much.
Just stop. Still can't believe you guys didn't download the app. That's so funny to me.
Participate in some artworks with the app. 一部の作品はアプリから参加できます。Concepts of the artworks nearby will be shown. Reserve a numbered ticket for some artworks using the app.
Hi, Mr. G here again. We did not do this, so please be sure to check the app regularly.
Enjoy the moment.
Okay, you ready for this?
Stop ruining my video.
Ruining my video.
Dude, you're ruining my video.
Ruining my video.
You're very funny.
Okay, enough of a hype. Let's start.
I'm scared. Ooh. Ooh. I'm in heaven. What's over there? Wait, is this the next room? Yeah, nearly right.
Did you walk into?
Nearly. It seems like there's a bunch of separate rooms that you can like go into. It's not like a straight pathway like the other team labs. 特別場所。
特別これそれの展示です。
ティケット。ない？
just
待って、はい、ありがとうございました。So there's a line for that one. Yeah.
So that means that one.
And there's other rooms. So there's a room here, room there.
Let's go.
At this point, we probably should have lined up here, but instead,
So wait, if you go... Oh,
we got a little distracted by the walls in the first room.
yeah, this is just the taste. Grab it!
I missed it. Wait.
So they're like,
Oh, that makes sense.
so if you touch it next to another one, see,
Let's go.
touch that one. And if you touch that, then it will go, no, don't light the birds on fire.
So when you touch multiple, they interact together.
Yeah, that's
And then,
cool.
like,
Oh, mine didn't do anything. Touch that one.
hold your hand out, hold your hand out.
Whoa.
Guys, we just created 3 live.
Wow. We just did that. We did that. There's another line.
Should we go to this one?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
We should line up for this.
Actually, line up for this one.
Hey, this is different. Not the usual team lab experience.
We should have lined up before. The first room is only a taster.
It's good that they have this. Oh wait, there's a whole owl over there. Did he get there? Explain that so the audience knows.
Yeah, let's tell the
Audience? I don't want to be in an audience.
No, tell the people how it works.
Yeah, like 2 viewers.
Hey guys. So,
Just tell us what
so
to
you,
do.
it gives you a whole description.
Correct.
Like in the app?
Yeah.
Oh, so you take the photo in the app.
No, you don't need to take a photo.
So you
You
just
press this button, find artwork close by.
so it's kind of like a photo.
It's GPS location.
But okay. So
it's
you're like
like
in the
wherever
area.
Yeah.
Ah.
Find artwork close by. And then Nirvana, Fleeting Flowers, so you click on that. And then gives you the full story.
I know that.
Ooh.
For the thingy.
About this one, huh?
I think you said to take a
That's
photo.
Fleeting Flowers. No, you don't take photos.
Oh.
It tells you.
Which is.
I knew that.
You got cool.
So wait, do you take a photo?
That's what I'm saying. Do you understand what I'm talking about?
I don't know.
Alright guys, let me run back.
So let's do it again.
No, please don't. I don't want to
When
hear
we
it
walk
again.
in, there's a QR code. You scan it, you get an app.
It's so funny. It's so good. Oh, it's getting dark. Alright, you guys ready?
When opening the app and looking at an exhibit, it will add it to a list of the exhibits you've seen, which is really useful for ticking off what you have and haven't done.
So this said like 20 minutes, but it was like...
We're about to go inside the new secret room. Welcome. Mr. G's there. Tell you how it is in after we cut to the next one. Yeah.
Cut.
どうぞお進みください。
ありがとうございます。
How many people?
あ、3人です。
Okay.
ありがとうございます。
Area will now change. Please move along the wall as directed by our staff. Stay as close to the wall as possible.
This is interesting, isn't it? Everyone's like lined up. Oh, you've got a ball there. Wow.
The viewing area will now change. You may now move around to experience the artwork. However, please note that some areas are restricted.
I can save you. It's pretty hard to take a good photo with that.
Yeah.
We passed the first one,
Guys,
and now we're lining up for the second.
first one, I
what's that?
totally recommend it.
I'm a kitty.
It's more like a punchy tiger.
It's a Hanshin tiger,
There you go.
which is also a kitty.
Okay.
Do you know what this character means? Tora.
Tora.
Tora. Tiger.
Oh yeah! Wow, look at that, Toro. I didn't know that. Now I know.
This room can make you a little dizzy. So, if you get motion sickness easily, skip ahead to the next part of the video.
Different area now? Wait, what happened? Oh, these are Uzumaki.
I'll go to a little bit more.
Towards the end,
Oh, actually?
Yeah,
Oh, I did not.
do a little review of that. Tell the people.
That room took a while, and the Aussie Tomodachi were a bit short, but we made moves, found classic teamLab.
Oh, it's the classic teamLab one. This is where we take the photos. This is the classic. At all the teamLabs, they always have this.
This exhibit is in all the teamLabs, so if you plan to go any other teamLab or you've seen it before, I recommend at least skipping it at Kyoto teamLab.
Yeah.
The next room was gorgeous, so it surprised me there was no line. This room has a 3-minute time limit before you're asked to leave, so you need to be efficient with your video and photos.
Wow. Guys, this is insane. We have 3 minutes. Make sure you walk through the right sections. Very, very hard to navigate. Last video. Now this must be it, right? Or is it just toilet?
After exiting, we weren't sure where to go next.
Oh wow, they've got like teamLab water. This is like the most interesting part.
Pretty fancy.
teamLab water.
This looks different.
This is different. We've got lost. We've got lost. I think this is just big time lost. Oh, okay, we're alright. The relax room.
So we figured out the right way. However, we didn't realize we were running low on time.
It's just like a little chill out space where you can just chill.
So we're on the ground, and we can go here.
I've never
Maybe there's levels.
I've never gone up in a teamLab. That's new. We're really going up here.
On the next floor, we found the exhibit I wanted to see the most.
Oh.
It's really completely right.
Yeah, I don't know about the cameras going in here.
Video from here, but I don't think we can go in there.
We can still go in there. I reckon my phone's okay, but maybe not the good camera. Actually, no, I can risk it.
You reckon?
I've done it before. I can do it again.
We thought we were heading to the foam sculpture,
This is art.
but we ended up at the orange liquid instead.
What liquid is this?
I mean, I have no idea.
Your shoes and deep shoes. Touch bulk with light shuffling steps. Okay.
Guys, be careful.
Hi.
That's
I am. Be very, very careful. Oh, it is slippery. I'm not allowed to use it. This is kind of cool, bro. In this one place is the only place you don't want to drop your camera.
They're so slippery.
This is fire hose right now.
This is a new experience. I really don't know how to explain this one actually. Is this it? Is this actually it?
I think that's it, yeah.
Oh wow. Okay. Yeah. All right. Let's go. Gozaimasu. Pull it in. Oh, nice. Wow, that's so interesting. Oh. No way, dude.
On to the next room. Things were going well. We were making good pace and we weren't lost anymore. But we were about to get quite a shock.
Oh.
This is trippy actually.
So, when we got to this point, we were told that we needed to move on. Another staff member told us that it was about to close.
So we got lost. And we can't find the bubble room. I want to find the bubble room. Oh, we really have to go. Okay. We're gonna get out, guys. So, what ended up happening is we ran out. Okay, Hi, quiosuke.
It would be hard working here and trying to corral it right now.
It must.
I just want to
Yeah.
stay.
You know what? It must have been. It must have actually just been through there, but we got like sidetracked.
So like turned around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is
Oh,
what happens if you
man.
stay in the first room for like 40 minutes, right?
We didn't get to that one.
All the aquarium.
Yeah.
We did all of this. We didn't get these.
We didn't get that one. Wow. Can't wait to make how to do teamLab video.
The staff were wonderful and really kind. I would have loved to have stayed longer, but just didn't have the time. Although we missed quite a few exhibits, teamLab was still so much fun. In some ways, it's kind of a good thing because it means that I haven't spoiled a lot of the exhibits for you if you decide to go. And it only motivates me to go back to take some more beautiful photos and videos. So let's wrap up this video with some lessons learned. Download the app beforehand. You can do a little research to know which exhibits you really want to see and don't want to miss. If you see a line up quickly because it's likely that if you don't, you might have to wait longer. As we learned the hard way, try not to spend too much time in one room, especially the first room. It's like a hub. You can access all the other rooms from there, and really you shouldn't spend too much time there because it really is just the beginning. Some rooms have time limits, but you can line up for them again and again if you like to take that perfect shot. The staff are pretty generous with allowing you to stay a little bit over time so that you can take the photos that you need, but please be aware and try not to stay too long. You will need over 2+ hours to see everything unless you are just zooming through every exhibit. And teamLab Kyoto closes at 9 p.m. So buying a ticket with an earlier entry time will allow you to spend more time without stress. Our entry ticket was at 7 p.m, so we only had 2 hours to try and see everything, and we definitely didn't get to see all the exhibits. More time is always a good thing, so get that earlier entry ticket, especially because you can absolutely get lost. That's the end of the lesson. Mr. G here, and now Mr. G out.